Andile Kangwenya, ngisebenzela uMnyango weZolimo laKwaZulu-Natal. Ngisebenza njengodokotela wey'lwane lezi zokuhlanganisa iy'lwane ey'fuywayo ney'lwane zasekhaya. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngesifo esihlasele indawo yase-Northern KZN. Size safika nangapha eMajuba District, isifo samatele, foot and mouth disease. Isifo lesi esihlasela zonke iy'lwane eziney'nselo ey'mbili onyaweni, cloven hoofed animal, njengey'nkomo, iy'mbuzi, izimvu, iy'ngulube, ney'nyamazane-ke ey'ningi. Le sifo lesi isifo esibhebhetheka kalula and siyaye sisabalale endaweni ngokushesha kakhulu. Siyinkinga ngoba iy'lwane ngesikhathi zibanjwe yiso azidli kahle, kuba ney'londa ey'semlonyeni, kube ney'londa ezisey'nselweni, zihluleke nokuhamba. Inkinga enkulu noma zingeke zife, inomthelela omubi kwezomnotho ngoba akekho ofuna ukuthi asithole le sifo lesi. So iy'lwane ezisitholayo endaweni kumele zibe kuleyo ndawo until kuze kuqedwe ukuthi kuliwe naso leso sifo size siphele. Endaweni yangapha eMajuba cishe kwabekwa ilondozana i-case yokuqala yayingo-17 February. By end of February, we had decided to vaccinate over 40,000 cattle in an area that was prioritized as high risk because of continuous contact of cattle, which would lead to contagious spread of foot and mouth disease. Over 8 days, we were able to vaccinate those areas that were identified. But as part of disease control, one of the most important things is that animal movement is restricted until the disease is dealt with. Currently, in Northern KZN, parts of Amajuba district, parts of Zululand municipality, the whole of Mkhanyakude district, the whole of King Cetshwayo districts, and parts of Ilembe and parts of Umzinyathi district are currently in an area that has been marked as a disease management area. So abantu bazomele ukuthi basizane basebenzisane nathi ukulwa nalesi sifo ngoba asikwazi ukulwa naso sisodwa. Kukhona i-movement protocol esikhishiwe yasayinwa udokotela omkhulu osiphethe sonke, i-national director. Yiyo-ke le movement protocol esobe siyisebenzisa kule ndawo le ebekade ngisho ukuthi sikanywe njengendawo ye-disease management area. Sizocela nje abantu ukuthi basebenzisane nathi. Kukhona iy'ndlela zokuthi ama-movement ayavumeleka through i-application eya kwi-permit office. Kodwa nje angikubeke ngokucacile ukuthi ukuze le sifo sikhona ukusinqanda, ukumuva kwey'lwane ukuyisusa la zisele, sizama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi sikulimithe ngoba yiyo into esihambisa kakhulu isifo. Nokuthwala kwey'lwane isuswa kwenye indawo zisuswa kwenye indawo akuvumelekile. Amaphoyisa azobe esebenzisana nathi. Ukuthwala kwey'lwane kuzobe kuvumeleke ngaphandle kokuthi kube khona i-movement permit, ngeke uze uvunyelwe ukuthi uhambe nazo. Kodwa-ke abadinga ukwazi kabanzi bangafonela i-ofisi lethu la eNyukhasela. Inamba ka-Dr. Ngwenya 072 354 5639. Okuningi singaku-discuss-a uma ukuthi uyasivakashela e-ofisi lethu or ungifonele. Siyabonga.
Movement protocol ukuthi sikhulume ngendaba yasemajuba mhlawumbe thina kulaba abana emajuba nakhona bakwazi nakhona
abasemajuba, iphathi yemajuba i-under restriction. Othi ngibekise nje, mawusuka uthatha u-N11 usuka la ahlangana khona nomgwaqo u-R34 lo ubuye e-Vryheid, ubuye njalo ungathi ubheke kwi-direction yaseMnambithi. Uma uhamba ngalo mgwaqo uze ufike kwi-turn off leka R68 oya eDandi. Yonke indawo engasesandleni sokunxele, which means east, will be inside of i-disease management area. Mawusuka lapha kwikhona lika R34 no N11 ubuyela kwi-Blood River Crossing via R34, everything ezoba ngaka right wakho, which means south of R34, is also inside of i-disease management area. Bese ihlangana ke nabaqulusi, uhambe njalo iZululand yonke except for iDumbe, bese ushaya njalo uye eMkhanyakude, uye nase King Cetshwayo, yonke leyo ndawo under disease management area. Mawubuya ngapha ku-R68 ubheka eDandi, yonke into that's north shuthi izobe ingaka left komgwaqo maso u-N11 ubheke eDandi, inside disease management area. Mawufika eDandi uthatha u-R33 wehla njalo uze uyofika eGreytown, everything that's north or engaka left komgwaqo mawubheke eGreytown is inside of i-disease management area. Mawufika eGreytown uthatha la ihlangana khona no-R74, uhambe njalo uze uyoshaya ku-N2 ngo-R74, everything that's north of i-R74 will fall inside of i-disease management area until ufike ushaya ku-N2, unyuke njalo ngo-N2 uze uyohlangana nomasipala, i-boundary yomasipala waseMandeni, bese unyuka njalo-ke uze uyoshaya ekhoneni leli le-South Africa ne-Mozambique, konke lokho oku-west of iLontozana ugu nje kungaphakathi kwi-disease management area.
So okugcina mhlawumbe ungathini kubafuyi, because ngiyazi ukuthi mabezwa lezi ndaba then bazoba nokupheneka ukuthi okusho ukuthi manje siyashaya, ungathini ukubaqinisa idolo njengoba nibhizi nje mayelana nendaba yesifo?
Yabona masifike lesifo kunzima kakhulu, engasho nje ukuthi asizameni ukulandela lama-guideline lawa abekwe i-department, ngoba lesinqumo akusisinqumo esisithathe nje kalula. Asicabangeli kuphela i-district, kumele sicabangele i-KZN yonke, kumele sicabangele ne-South Africa yonkana, ukuthi ukuhluleka kwethu ukusinqanda isifo la kuzoba nomthelela omubi ngaphezulu kwi-district. Kuthiwani, ayike ihlale phansi ubambe umthetho nje size siqede ukuzama ukusicontrol lesi, because i-problem manje we have an infection that is actively spreading, and if we do not adhere to these conditions that are set out kwi-movement protocol, we'll be sitting with an even bigger problem. So ngicela nje okwamanje abantu abasivumele senze umsebenzi lo okumele wenzeke, and then sizobona ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sama lama restrictions lawa azokwehliswa. Ngiyabonga.